At first, Devi, Eric, and Haziq had some money. Devi and Eric donated the same amount of money to a charity. Haziq donated 3 times as much as Eric. Draw the model to show the donations. Devi and Eric donated the same amount. Same. Haziq donated 3 times as much as Eric. 3, 1. Devi donated 1/4 of her money. This is 1/4 of Devi's money. So there were 3 more quarters at first. Eric donated 2/7 of his money. This is 2/7. But there's only one unit. What can we do? Subdivide it. 2/7. There should be 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Haziq donated 2/5 of his money. 2/5. But there are 3 here. Look at Eric. Subdivide. And we can count in this way. 1/5, 2/5. So there are 3 more. We should subdivide for Devi as well, so that we can find the ratio of money at first. Devi should be 8, Eric 7, and Haziq 15. At first, who had the most amount of money and who had the least? The most 15 and the least 7. So Haziq had the most and Eric had the least. The 3 children had a total of $1,560 at first. So at first refers to this ratio. Add 8, 7, and 15. 30. 30U equal $1,560. So 1U will be this divided by 30. How much money did Haziq donate? Haziq donation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So $52 times 6 equal $312. At first, Devi, Eric, and Haziq had some money. Devi and Eric donated the same amount of money to a charity. Haziq donated 4 times as much as Eric. We draw the model to show this. Devi donated 1/3 of her money. This is 1/3 of Devi's money. So at first, she should have 2 more thirds. Eric donated 2/3 of his money. This is 2/3 of Eric's money. So we need to split this into 2 small units. 2/3. 1/3 here. Haziq donated 4/5 of his money. 4/5. already 4 units. So 1/5 here. Let's subdivide. Ratio of money at first, 6, 3, 10. At first, who had the most amount of money and who had the least? Haziq had the most and Eric had the least. The three children had a total of $228 at first. Total. At these three, we have 19U equal $228. How much did Devi donate? 2 units. So 1U equal $228 divided by 19 equal $12, and 2U equal $12 times 2 equal $24. At first, Devi, Eric, and Haziq had some money. Devi and Eric donated the same amount of money to a charity. Haziq donated twice as much as Eric. We draw the model to represent this. Devi donated 2/3 of her money. This is 2/3 of Devi's money. So we subdivide to show 2/3. 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. This will be Devi's money at first. Eric donated 3/4 of his money. 3/4, 3 parts. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. Eric's money at first. Haziq donated 4/5 of his money. 4/5. 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, 5/5. Now, can we say that the ratio of donations is 2:3:4? No, that would be wrong because this is one big unit and this is one small unit. We need to do something about them. What can we do? We know that this part equal this part. So we can draw more lines to subdivide further. 2, 3. The LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. So we should subdivide until there are 6 parts here and 6 parts here. But it's easier to just write 3U, 3U, 6U, 6 parts. And for this, what do we write? 2U, 2U, 2U. 6U, 6U. Now they are equal. Fill up the rest. Small unit, so 2U. This is the big unit and the rest. What is the ratio of their donations? 6:6:12. Ratio of their money at first, 3, 9 is to 8 is to 15. Money at last, the yellow ones. Remember, green ones represent donations. So the yellow ones. 3 is to 2 is to 3. Haziq had $240 more than Devi at first. Haziq 15, Devi 9. 6U equal $240. So 1U is $40. After the donation, how much money did they have altogether? 8U, $320.